Yo, what's up guys? Dante back again, another video. This is gonna be kind of a different video than my normal car stuff. It's kind of gonna be going over like my day-to-day life and basically what I'm doing right now to eventually buy a Supra car and stuff. Yeah, so pretty much it's 1:55 right now in the afternoon. Basically woke up this morning, 6:30, got into the stock market, took some nice longs today on Microsoft and Tesla. Unfortunately did lose one of the trades, but I'm in a swing trade right now currently for Tesla. I'm in the the $443.50 calls for next week, so those hopefully should print and make up for the loss. But so far this week I'm up $2,500 across all my accounts, so definitely want to be hitting those 5K, 10K weeks eventually, but for now I'm just trying to stay consistent. Not going to bore you guys anymore longer with the trading lingo and stuff, but essentially for my swing trade, I basically just waited for a cloud test, entered on a cloud test, and now I'm just in longs for next week. So we'll see if that prints or not. I'm in 2 contracts, so nothing too crazy, but honestly just ready for next week. Going to be positioning a lot higher now, taking less trades and trying to hit those high numbered weeks basically. Yeah, but pretty much right now I'm going to be taking out my Supra to go get a car wash and maybe go check out one of the Lamborghini dealerships to see my future car, you know, manifest a little bit. Ignore my 2 other phones. I have a lot of phones. That's just what I do, I guess. I also got my vision board up here, which I still need to finish, but this is essentially like all the stuff I'm trying to like manifest for the next years, I guess. We got an Audi R8, we got a mini K truck, and then we have some other cars here as well, which eventually I'm gonna own all of them, so just stay tuned for that. Yeah, honestly, the car is super dirty right now, so I definitely wanna go give it a wash for sure. I honestly don't know what to do about these wheels. They just get dirty way too easily. Like, look at all the dust on them. It's actually insane. All right, I think I'm gonna go to Lamborghini Newport Beach first, just because they close like kind of soon. And then after that, I'll probably go wash the car since it's super dirty. I probably haven't cleaned it in over a week, I would say. Maybe even 2 weeks, honestly. But yeah, typically I'll wake up at like 6:15 in the morning, give myself 15 minutes to get ready for the market opens, and then trade. If there is a trade, obviously, I'm not going to try to force any trades, but usually I do take a trade. And then after that, I go and go about my day with the other stuff as well. All right, just made it to Lamborghini Newport. It looks like they have a lot of new cars here, so let's see what they have. This Revuelto is honestly insane. Like, me personally, I would take an SVJ over this, but I mean, you can't go wrong with this V12, to be honest. It's honestly looks better than SVJ. We got a whole bunch of Irises here too. Just not the biggest fan of them. They're just kind of like RSQ8s with body kits on them pretty much. We got a Bugatti back here as well, which is insane. This Bugatti is new to the dealership. I haven't seen it before. It looks like it's like carbon fiber on it as well, the entire body pretty much. And then we have this Pininfarina, whatever the heck it's called. I have no idea, but it's pretty cool. This honestly might be my favorite car here. It's just so clean. Like the 750S. It looks honestly a lot better than the 570 and the 600 LT, but it's just so much faster, more aggressive. It has the wing in the back too that like I'm pretty sure moves. All right, let's head out and go wash the car since it's very dirty. Oh shoot, we got another Supra down there. All right, so we're about to get some gas right now, but I kind of just want to talk about like what I've been doing and like what my, I guess, goals are for the end of this year pretty much. So like, obviously I've been, you know, locked in with trading and stuff, and I've been making content on the side, but that's kind of just been more of a fun thing, I would say. But trading has been what I've been really locking in on. I'm definitely seeing way more consistency now. Like, I have a lot more just eye for seeing setups compared to before, and I'm just really excited to see how it turns out. Like, I feel like I'm gonna start to see 20, 30, maybe in 40K months eventually. Probably sooner than I think, honestly. So it's just about me showing up every single day, not giving up, and that's basically what I've been doing. Like, I've been basically trading for almost a year now, and I've been consistent with it. I literally have not missed a single day. I literally cannot think a single day that I've missed. I've been just every single day. I obviously, you know, at the beginning, I lost a lot. I recouped a lot of that loss like a month after that, and then now I'm starting to show consistent profits now, and it's really exciting. So I'm really excited to see where it goes. Another thing that I kind of want to talk about as well is like, it doesn't really matter what you're in. If you're in either trading, a business, whatever, like, you're gonna get excited about it. You're gonna want to tell your friends. You're gonna want to get them to, you know, go in on it as well. But I think the one thing that I realized with all this is, like, every single business, every single trading thing, or whatever thing I've done in the past before trading, whatever, I try to get my friends to, you know, to join or to teach them as well. But sometimes you just got to realize that you can lead a horse to water, but you can't, you know, force them to drink. So it's up to them to try to, you know, be successful on their own. It's not up to you. If they are not there already, then it's for a reason, because they don't want to be, or they're just lazy, or whatever. I mean, I think it's honestly important to just focus on yourself, especially at the beginning when you haven't even fully, like, made it yet. I would say, like, once you make it, that's like, I would say, like, maybe 50, 100K months. I don't even know. I don't really know what the definition of making it is, but definitely I'm nowhere near making it yet. But when I am, then that's what I'll probably try to, like, give back and try to, like, you know, show others what's possible and stuff like that. But even then, it's up to them. It's not up to you. It's one thing I've realized. But as far as, like, non-trading goals goes, I would say, like, obtaining more cars is definitely one of those things, especially for this year. Like, I definitely want to get the, you know, wide body FRS, some sort of, like, project car possibly, and then obviously the K truck as well, which is, like, my, I guess, dream car, even though it's, like, only like $4,000, which I could just buy right now, but I'm kind of, like, waiting off on it a little bit until I get some stuff done before I buy it, pretty much. Oh my gosh, holy crap. Damn. Oh. These pops are insane. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. $6 a gallon, as per usual. This is also the gas station that has the 101 gas, which is $9 a gallon, which is insane, honestly. Alright, just made it to the car wash. Gonna wash the Supra right now, especially these wheels. Alright, just finished washing the car. Honestly, didn't do the best job in washing it, but I mean, it looks a lot cleaner than before, to be honest. But yeah, let me know if you like these more, like, mellow style videos. I'll definitely do more of them for sure. Maybe some more, like, trading related videos, also cars as well. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. Peace.